Hi children, today we are going to see Unit 1 Hospitality. Hospitality. What is hospitality? Hospitality is the relationship between a guest and a host. So guest na உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் இல்லீங்களா? வீட்டுக்கு வர விருந்தாளிங்க தான் guest. இங்க hostன்றவங்க யாரு தெரியுமா? அந்த guest வராங்க இல்லையா வீட்டுக்கு அவங்கள வர வைக்கிறதுக்குன்னு அந்த வீட்டு ஆளுங்கலாம் இருப்பாங்க இல்லையா அவங்க தான் host. Wherein the host receives the guest with goodwill, including the reception and entertainment of guests, visitors or strangers. ஸோ நம்ம இப்போ பார்த்தோம் இல்லைங்களா இந்த ஹோஸ்ட்ன்றவங்க அந்த கெஸ்ட்டை வர வைப்பாங்கன்னு. ஸோ அந்த கெஸ்ட்டை எப்படி வர வைப்பாங்க? ஒரு ஸ்மைலிங் ஃபேஸோட வர வைப்பாங்க, பூ கொடுத்து வர வைப்பாங்க, இல்லையா சாஃப்ட் ட்ரிங்க்ஸ் ஏதாச்சும் கொடுத்து ட்ரிங்க்ஸ் மாதிரி கொடுப்பாங்க இல்லைங்களா, கூல் ட்ரிங்க்ஸ் அதெல்லாம் கொடுத்து வர வைக்கலாம். ஸோ இப்படி தான் நம்ம வீட்டுக்கு வர கெஸ்ட்டை நம்ம வரவேற்போம். ஸோ அது மட்டும் இல்லாமல் அவங்களுக்கு பிடிச்ச டிஷ்ஷஸ் எல்லாம் சமைச்சு போடுவோம், அவங்க கூட ஜாலியாக பேசி என்ஜாய் பண்ணிட்டு இருப்போம் இல்லைங்களா. நம்ம கெஸ்ட் வீட்டுக்கு வந்தால் யூஸ்வலாக நம்ம அப்படி தானே பண்ணுவோம். எஸ், ஸோ அவங்கள இந்த மாதிரி நம்ம நல்ல விதமாக கவனிச்சுக்கிறோம் இல்லைங்களா. ஸோ அதுதான் ஹாஸ்பிட்டாலிட்டி. கிரீட்டிங்ஸ். கிரீட்டிங்ஸ் மீன்ஸ் ரெஸ்பெக்ட், மரியாதைன்னு கூட சொல்லலாம். எஸ், ஸோ how we respect our guest? By giving handshake, fist pump, hug and bow. Children, now let us step into the lesson, the gift. What is a gift? A gift is a thing which we give willingly to someone without payment. So that is called a gift or a present. ஸோ நம்மளுக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சவங்களுக்கு கிஃப்ட் கொடுப்போம் இல்லைங்களா. எஸ், ஸோ ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்டுக்கு பர்த்டே வருது. ஸோ அப்போ உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்டுக்கு நீங்கள் ஏதாச்சும் ப்ரெசென்ட் பண்ணணும்னு நினைப்பீங்க இல்லைங்களா. ஸோ இட் மே பி அ greeting card or you can give a dress or simply you can give a flower. So that is only gift. Children, now before stepping into the lesson, let us see some meanings of the words which is given in this lesson. So first one is gruel, a thin liquid food of oatmeal or other meal boiled in milk or water. So நம்ம வீட்ல எல்லாம் பழைய சாதம் சாப்பிடுவோம் இல்லைங்களா, அதுதான் gruel. Guest, a person who is invited to visit someone's home or attend a particular social occasion. So you can simply invite a guest to your home without any reason, or you can particularly invite them to attend any social occasion, like it may be a marriage or it may be a birthday party and etc. Twig. A twig is a very small thin branch that grows out from a main branch of a tree or bush. So all these small twigs are collected together to make a fire camp also. Disguise, a means of altering one's appearance to conceal one's identity. Conceal is nothing but to hide. A person who hides his own identity is called disguise. So I'll give you one example. An old man disguised himself as a joker to entertain the audience. So ஒரு old man அவரை ஜோக்கர் மாதிரி ட்ரெஸ் பண்ணிட்டு ஆடியன்ஸை என்டர்டெயின் பண்ண வந்தாரு. Shadow. Shadow means a dark area or shape produced by a body coming between rays of light and a surface. So children, you can see in this picture how the shadow is formed. Yes, the shadow not only comes during daytime, it also comes during night time.
Children, now let us step into the story, The Gift. Once there was a beggar and he was very hungry. He saw a big house and went there to see if he would get something to eat. The house was very big and luxurious. There was a beautiful garden around the house. As he neared the house, he could smell tasty food. He knocked the door. A well-dressed man opened the door. Children, now let us see what happens next.
Do you think I'm running free food service? Get out of here. Is there any left out food? Please give me that at least. Don't stand here wasting my time. Get out of my sight.
Then the old man slowly walked away. In his way, he saw a lady from the house dropping banana leaves with food in the trash can. And he was very sad about it. Let us see what happens next.
Is anybody there at home?
Nobody is home. Try the next house.
If there is no one, then who is answering me?
Why don't you try the big house in the same street?
I tried, but he did not offer any food.
Then how can you expect me to help you when the richest man of the village denied?
Then the old man left that place, and he was tired and could not walk anymore. So he sat under a tree and soon slept. A man who is wearing shabby clothes came that way. Let's see what happens next. Who are you? Why are you lying here?
I have no food and no place to stay.
You look tired and hungry. Come to my home and stay with us.
I don't want to be a burden to you. I just need some food.
Okay, just come and have some food with us. Then the man who is wearing shabby clothes took the old man to his hut. The hut was very small and barely enough for the family. The old man saw that the house wouldn't withstand the monsoon. The house had no furniture, but only a few utensils were there for use. The people in the house, a lady and 2 children, were very happy to welcome the old man in. They made him sit comfortably. The children sat near him. Then the man who is wearing shabby clothes introduced himself and his family.
I am Kalyan. I work in the farm nearby. This is my wife Viji and my children Gopi and Ratika.
Soon the children got close to the old man. They asked many questions and played with him. Kalyan helped the old man wash his face and hands. When the old man entered the hut, Viji was ready to serve the food. They all sat in a circle. Viji served the gruel from an earthen pot. First she gave to the old man and then to the children and Kalyan. After the dinner, Kalyan laid a mat for the old man to sleep. Next morning, the beggar asked them to pack their things. They all couldn't understand why he asked so.
I am not a beggar. I am a landlord from a nearby town. My family and I were helping the poor and the needy. My wife and son died 2 years back. Without them, I continued my service. As I grew older, I wanted someone to take care of my wealth and service after me. You have to accept my request and fulfill my desire.
Kalyan was reluctant. Reluctant means hesitating that request. But the old man persuaded him and his family. At last the old man convinced him and his family. The old man was happy that his service would continue many more years even after his death. Children, that's all about the lesson, the gift. I hope you all will enjoy this video. Thank you children. Bye.